the accolades of our engagement and re-engagement policy resulted in Zambia foregoing its opportunity to take the seat of the African Union's Peace and Security Council. Zambia ceded that seat to Zimbabwe. They said, no, we are just coming in as a new party. You, Mr. President, have got a lot of institutional memory, and your country has got a lot of experience of dealing with the African Union and other African countries. So this time we will pass our opportunity to take that prestigious position at the African Union Peace and Security Council, that body which is responsible for resolving African conflicts. So the accolade ended up to Zimbabwe. So Chamisa, he thinks Zambia and UNDP is his. It's not true. We are ruling parties. They see themselves now as a ruling party. They cannot, they mine the history of Zimbabwe and Zambia together. They see the opportunities of us growing together. So the collaborative relationship is beyond the feeling of induction, which the Chamisa hopes he can rub off him to get victory. He thinks other parties' victories, because they are opposition, they belong to him. No, they work for them. He doesn't work for it. So this is one thing which we have won, and it's a recognition of Zimbabwe's diplomatic prowess, that we have been within a period of within a very short period of the 54 African countries, before they have even done their own rounds with the African Peace and Security Council, they've come back to Zimbabwe again to say, we want you back. This is the prestige which ZANU-PF gives to our country, to our nation. This is the recognition which the Second Republic is according to Zimbabwe, and this is what the institutional memory of our president is a devoted national liberation pan-Africanist is garnering for the country. It's nice to have a leader like that who is well respected for his good works, and it means that our path to development will be supported much, much more solidly by our neighbors, as well as those countries which wish well from us from afar. I thank you.